How to create a circle background like this in After Effects. Let's get started. First, create a new composition. Make it full HD, frame rate 30, duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Create a new solid. Name it Background. Go to Effects and Presets and type Fractal Noise. Drag and drop on background layer. Set Basic to Dynamic. Check Invert. Increase contrast to 250. Decrease brightness to -25. Change Allow HDR results to clip. Go to Evolution, Alt-click. Then type time *100. Go to Effects and Presets and type Circle. Drag and drop on background layer. Go to Biending mode. Set None to Stencil Alpha. Increase radius. Go to Effects and Presets. Type CC Radial Blur. Drag and drop on fractal layer. Set Scratch to Fading Zoom. Increase amount. Go to Circle, Control-D to copy. Press on Reset. Change color to black. Set None to Normal. Increase radius. Go to Effects and Presets. Type Exposure. Drag and drop on background layer. Change exposure to toe. Go to background layer. Control-D to copy. Go to background 2. Then remove Circle 2 and Radial Blur and Exposure. Go to Circle and set Stencil Alpha to None. Go to Circle, Control-D to copy. Set None to Normal. Change color to black. And increase circle radius a little bit. Go to Effects and Presets and type Roughen Edges. Increase border. Go to Effects and Presets and type Deep Glow. Decrease radius to 300. Create a new solid. Go to Effects and Presets and type CC Starburst. Change color to white. Decrease speed to 0.1. Decrease grid spacing to 1. Increase scatter. Add an adjustment layer. Go to Effects and Presets and type Deep Glow. Decrease radius and exposure. Click on Backgrounds and Adjustment Layer and right-click. Pre-Composer All. Change Normal to Screen. Okay, this is our tutorial. If you like it, don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.